Starting your fitness journey can feel overwhelming, but it is important to remember that every journey begins with a single step. Tailoring a fitness routine to your needs is the key to establishing a healthy lifestyle. The first step is to define your goals. Whether you aim to lose weight, build strength, or improve overall health, having clear objectives will guide your plan and keep you motivated. Next, evaluate your current level of fitness to understand where to begin. This can be as simple as a self-assessment. How often do you currently exercise? What activities do you enjoy? Consider activities that incorporate both cardiovascular and strength training. This allows for a balanced routine that not only builds stamina, but also improves muscle tone and flexibility. Begin with a warm-up to get your body prepared for exercise. This might include 5 to 10 minutes of brisk walking or dynamic stretching. Following the warm-up, aim for a routine that includes at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity each week. This could be brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Start slow and gradually increase your pace to enhance endurance without overexerting yourself. Incorporate 2 days of strength training into your week using bodyweight exercises such as squats, push-ups, and planks. These movements engage multiple muscle groups and can be modified to suit different fitness levels. Start with one set of 8 to 12 repetitions, and as you progress, add sets or increase weights appropriately. Balancing cardio and strength training establishes an effective routine for overall health. Rest days are equally important. They allow your body to recover and prevent burnout or injury. Listen to your body and take time to recharge. On rest days, consider gentle activities like yoga or leisurely walking, which can enhance recovery while keeping you active. Incorporating proper hydration and nutrition into your routine also supports your fitness journey. Aim for balanced meals packed with whole foods to fuel your workouts and recovery. Lastly, track your progress to stay motivated. Whether through journaling, fitness apps, or sharing your journey with friends, celebrating small victories along the way helps build confidence and commitment. Remember, starting small is key. Consistency is what leads to lasting results. Embrace the process, be patient with yourself, and watch as your healthy lifestyle takes shape.